this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're driving our 78 Ford F250. There you can see we're going 55 miles an hour, just under a quarter tank of fuel. Got good oil pressure. Temp gauge, I don't know if it works. Just started it, we'll see. Goes on the road pretty good. Got some wander in the steering wheel. Just letting you know we tried to tell you everything we know. Truck's been sitting for quite a while. I bought it off a guy out of western Nebraska or North Dakota, and it had been sitting for a while, so still consider it a driving project. I mean, when I mean like that, it runs and drives. As you can see, I'm going down the road. It actually goes on the road pretty good. Got good power. But needs some stuff. It idles a little rough. May need some carb work, tune up. We haven't got around to doing that yet. But so treat it as a running driving project. You probably got to tinker on a little bit. Though this is a super cab 4-wheel drive. Not a lot of these around. So body's pretty solid. Got some dents and some surface rust on it. See the hood's faded, but just a good way to get into a Ford F250 classic truck for not a lot of money. So, see the windshield's broke right there. We just redid the seat, put in new carpet, so the interior's in pretty good shape. Headliner's sagging a little bit. We'll try to glue that up. Brakes seem to work okay. Hear the radio in the background. Not a lot of old radios work anymore, but this one does. Power steering, power brakes. First to second. Second to third. So got about a 20 mile an hour wind today, and now you're going against the wind. There's a little cab wind noise, but like I said, very windy today. So any questions, 605-695-73